Today in Adobe, we're going to use a hands-on tutorial to put our color skills into practice. So you may have to search for this in Adobe under the tutorials. We're going to begin by creating your own palette over here on the left. These are some suggested colors. However, you can go and choose your own. For me, it's easier to go over here to the Appearance panel, and we're going to be selecting a lot of bright colors. If you're not sure what goes together, you can go to Window, Color Guide, and it will show you some colors. In the drop-down menu here, this has all of the different harmony rules. So again, if you're not quite sure if there's a color and how it matches, or maybe you're actually colorblind or know somebody who is, what you can do is over on the right side, choose any color that you want to design and you feel inspired by. And then in the color guide, you can go and click it or go and adjust the harmony rules. So maybe this next one goes right here. Okay, so after I have the color palette, then next I can go in and recolor all three of the designs using the different color scheme. The directions suggest using the eyedropper, but you'll need to know this on your exam. So I'm under swatches, and I'm going to click this for a new color group, and I'm going to call this Garden Showcase. All right, and then I'm going to want to go in and add each of these swatches, each of these colors to my swatches. All right, so I'm going to use my eyedropper tool and I'm going to select my first color here. Under the fill color, remember I already made my group, so I'm going to highlight my Garden Showcase. And since I have the color already selected, all I need to do is click a plus. I don't have to give it a name, and I can just click OK, and it's going to add it over here. Then with my eyedropper, I'm going to select the next color. I'm going to click on the color. I'm going to select the swatches, and again, I'm going to click the plus. If I want to give it a name, I might want to give this Pink Garden Showcase. And click OK. And then we only have to do this a couple of times. Click on the fill color. Here is my color group called Garden Showcase. Or I could even give it a simple name like teal. Okay, so now that I have those selected, this should be a lot easier. I then went to Window and Swatches, and I have my swatches here, and I'm using the larger list view. And now all I have to do is go and click on whichever kind of design I want. Make sure that you color all the different pieces of the design. And you don't want to use the same colors twice. And if you end up needing to add one extra color in there to make your designs really pop, that's fine. But in theory, we just want to use the same colors and then just use our imagination into different patterns that we can go through. At the bottom, they give you several examples of that. Before you close and click Next on this part, make sure you go and do a quick File and Save As. We want to save this as the Garden Showcase HOT, short for Hands-On Tutorial. And again, so we're just learning how to use colors, color theory, and making sure that everything balances just right. Oops, I forgot to color those too. So make sure you use all your colors in each of your designs. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe.